Hello, Godzilla fans. Truthfully, I haven't watched a Godzilla film in several decades, not since I was like a little kid. But anyways, they're still going on, it seems. Well, actually, no, I've seen the more modern Godzillas. Anyways, not so important. So, it turns out this weapon called the Maser Cannon, there's been over 12, it's appeared in 12 different Godzilla films, so many variations. But this box is saying it's Godzilla versus Mechagodzilla. Somewhere in here it said that. There, right there, the bottom left. And so this is the Type 90, and I think these are images from the actual movie. So it's pulled by some sort of tank, and then it's some races up here, and some sort of microwave laser kind of thing. And then here's a big infographic on it. I can't read Japanese, of course, but yeah. All right. So ChoroQ, these guys just make everything. They make a ChoroQ of almost everything. Not just vehicles, but even like figures. I haven't reviewed any of those though yet. For sale only in Japan. So, what am I doing? An illegal activity right here? Does it say how old it is? This is clearly used. Oh yeah, 2002 this toy is, so maybe that's when the movie came out. Alright, well, take a look-see. Nothing in the box. Clearly someone taped this up. Alright, well, it's got standard front tires, and I think I've seen these wheels before. Yeah, they're just black, so it's hard to tell, but pretty nice looking wheels, I think. And so this ChoroQs are spring motors, pullback toys. So it's this one, I think, that's the drive wheel. Okay, so the side here we have some Japanese text. I don't know what that says, maybe Maser Cannon. We have some hazard striping. Is it physically a sticker? Possibly that's a sticker. I can't tell for sure, but I feel like it's raised above the green surface. This side cannon here, yeah, some molded details, of course. Why is this all black? I wonder if the previous owner literally tried to paint this. I don't know. I don't know if it's supposed to come this way or what. I don't know. It's so crude. Yet here it's so well done. Well, we'll have to continue on. Oh yeah, I think this is chipped, maybe. Right? Why else? I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be a headlight. But if it's chipped off, maybe that is supposed to be painted by ChoroQ themselves. This is like a yellow clear plastic. Interesting. Some sort of tip there. And then, again, the hazard striping. Could be a sticker. This side looks okay. There's no coin holder, which I like, because now you can see the whole back end. Some really nicely tampo printed taillights and some sort of ID there. But again, this is really mysterious, and you can see it's scratched. Okay, well, there's a lot of black outlining, panel lining, but poorly done. And then this cannon thing will point that high upwards, and I assume it twists. It does. Does it come off? It does not. Okay, yeah, alright. Some other bars, rails come in there, some mechanism, maybe hazard lights. I don't know. Alright, well, with some boxes up here. I'm just thrown off. I don't know if it's supposed to have all these extra tan lines here and black lines here. Let me look up some images. Well, as you can see these images, it does have the really shoddy paintwork, and coincidentally, really shoddy paintwork in those headlight areas. But these are maybe used toys. But still, it must have come that way from the factory. Okay, well, I don't have too many war vehicles. They're deformed. Here's a ChoroQ World War II half-track, the Hanomag. And then Kyoto came out with a line of deformed things. Although this doesn't look very cartoony. It's the cool little German flak panzer thing. Type 87 Spag. Oh, maybe this is, I'm sorry, this is probably a Japanese version. I think about the German one, but I think that's a Japanese one. And then this is Japanese as well. This is a Type 81 surface-to-air missile launcher. But oddly, you can't really angle the missiles upwards. poorly conceived. Alright, so those are more modern. I guess we'll list the World War II thing. And yeah, I guess they're, well, tracked, wheeled. The Kyotos have smaller wheels. I don't even think the Kyotos, yeah, they're not even spring pullback cars. They're just rolling plastic toys. Alright, I guess that's good enough there. Yeah, it is weird, the things you run into when you peruse used toy stores or just shop online. And also when you run out of things to collect sometimes. I just like ChoroQs. I think I bought this because it was really cheap. I've never even seen this movie, so not this modern one, I don't think. Or if I did, it was 20 years ago. Well, anyways, thanks for watching, and I'm pretty sure there'll be another ChoroQ video to come. It seems to be never ending. Alright, thanks. We'll see ya. Bye.